Taking the right side slip-on off.
Right side slip-on off. And loosening the crossover pipe. And this bracket gets reused, correct?
Yes. Now let's see how easy these exhausts come off.
There you go.
Left side slip-on.
Left side slip-on.
Nice and tight.
It was loose?
Yeah.
All right. Wiggle it. So this part is going to be reused. And then put the clamp on the new slip-on.
Marty, marring up the pipes. Oh, for fuck's sake, there goes the warranty.
That was it. To make sure that you rotate it.
I'm putting the exhaust back onto the stock hanger.
Make sure left and right tips are lined up correctly before tightening.